Am I live? Am I here? Hello? Why am I looking at that? I don't know. An error occurred. Oh, that's good. Oh, see? There I am. Alright. I think the chat thingy that I'm using, the narration, is just gonna be crappy. And there's nothing anyone can do about it. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. Oh, hello.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. Hi, Nuggy.
Hello, Daniel. Who else is here? I don't know.
Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Select the arcade mode button. Press enter to activate.
What am I doing?
Press left and right to select the track. Press up and down to change the different.
These are
tropical storm.
good questions.
Start or escape to go back. Vertical menu with 4 items. Select loading track.
Let's do this.
So here's what I have done.
Song editor.
Hello, Portia.
Portia Scott. Hey there, Daniel.
What I have done is I'm like ruining all of the editors, first of all. So, I have made it so that all the navigation keys up, down,
1/2. 0.
left, right. Let me turn on audio.
1/2. 0.
Page up, page down.
0.
They all work the same now in all the editors. So if I hit F6,
Track editor.
go to track editor.
1. 0. 3. 4.
Yeah, we can scroll around the same way.
0.
And then the camera works the same way too. There's still stuff to figure out. Anyway, so I really that's as far. No. Okay.
0.
So in the edit track menu, which doesn't have a shortcut key, so I need to fix that. I need a list. Needs shortcut key. I don't even remember how that works.
Edit track menu. Vertical menu with 26 items. Select the track auto generation checkbox.
So there's
track auto generation checkbox. Not checked. Press enter to toggle.
track auto generation option is here, but then below that
Advanced editor checkbox. Check. Press enter to toggle.
there's this. I'm calling it advanced mode. I'm calling the current mode advanced. But if we turn that off,
Manipulator menu.
Oh.
Edit track menu. Not checked. Horizontal exited menu.
then what happens? Oh, so we're in this other mode,
2. 0. 0.
and there's this snippets menu, which also doesn't have a. They all just need.
Snippets menu. Vertical menu with 28 items. Selected official. Back and forth wave button. Press enter to activate.
So
Jesse
there's.
Hernandez. Hi there, Dan.
Hello, Jesse. There's all these options in here.
Element official. Gradual left turn button. Press enter to activate.
So, and you can insert one of those.
1 gradual left turn.
And now, as I scroll around,
2 gradual left turn. 3 gradual left turn.
it kind of, it's narrating that we're on the left turn.
Save.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank
0 no
you.
gradual left turn.
Jesse Hernandez. Hope you're doing well.
-1.
And I need to be in race mode so we can actually hear.
Click button. Arcade. Press left and right to select the upgrades. You have
What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh.
race options. Speed. Loading track.
Oh, I don't want rivals though. Is there?
Pause menu.
No.
Click button. Arcade. Race
I don't
options.
want these noisy rivals. Go away. Okay.
Loading track.
Good luck.
So now there will be a left turn.
Autoplay on.
Why did it not chime? Is it?
Pause menu.
Is it because I'm
Track editor. Track editor.
a bad person? I don't know.
Manipulator.
Jesse Hernandez. Does the new stuff have to still be in OGG?
Edit track menu. Vertical menu with 26 items.
Yes.
Select the advanced editor checkbox. Not checked. Press enter to toggle.
Yeah, the game only uses OGG files.
Manipulator menu. Vertical menu with 9 items.
Nope.
Menu. Vertical menu with 28. Official. Gradual left. Official. Left turn button.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. You are invisible cues.
Official. Large vertical loop button. Press enter to activate.
Oh, is that it?
Horizontal menu. Exited menu. Save.
You're right.
Editor X. Quick button. Arcade. Game
You're
setting.
right about that.
Audible cues 2. Timing difficulty selections. Selected. Lose.
Loose?
Audible history.
Why is it on loose?
Race options. Press enter to loading track.
That makes perfect sense.
Autoplay on.
Jesse
Wow.
Hernandez. The keyboard sounds cool.
Pause menu.
So anyway, that's about it.
Track editor.
And I gotta make it work.
13 and 7/8 gradual left turn. 14 and 7/8 gradual left turn. 6 and 7/8 gradual left turn.
So, one thing, there's only left turns. So if I want to insert,
16 gradual left turn.
I want to insert something here.
Vertical menu with snippets menu. Vertical menu.
So,
Sharp left turn button. Press enter to activate. Remember sailor twisted camelback button. Press enter to activate. Official. Vertical loop button. Official. Left. Official. Large vertical loop button.
large vertical loop. You know, let's put that in. So,
15 gradual left turn. Save.
I need to kind of, I'm gonna go do something real quick. Stop it.
Jesse Hernandez, something is going beep 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 beep.
Never mind, that was all for nothing. Okay, so that's what I'm working on.
Save. 0 on node gradual left turn.
So, anyways. Okay, Arlene's gonna be in this editor.
Hi,
No.
Arlene's going to be in this editor. I don't know how those works because they are half note, half track layout.
Lanes are... No, those don't... Well, okay, actually, that's a good question, and that's
1 2 gradual left turn.
you will be able to do lanes like that, so let's try to do it.
34. 42. Large vertical loop.
It's like if I wanted to put one
49. Large vertical. 48. Large vertical.
right here.
47. Large vertical. 49. Large vertical. 48. Large vertical loop. Manipulator.
So let's put right here
Official. D.
a
Gradual left turn button. Press enter to
sharp
activate.
left
Official.
turn.
button.
Where
Press
is
enter
it?
to activate.
Sharp left turn.
Official. Sharp left turn button. Press enter to activate.
Doesn't look very sharp.
Save.
So, but then I go into the song editor.
Song editor. Deleted 1 notes.
I put in a lane.
48 and a half. 49. 49 and a half.
Yeah, this is kind of...
Hold duration 2.
It's one way to do it.
Save. 46. 42. Editor exit.
So there'll be one here.
Pause menu.
Around the left
135%
turn.
speed.
So that's one way to do it. The other way that lanes work is by editing the track middle line,
Song editor.
which you can do
1 half. 52 and 41. 48.
Let's
51,
put one-
48. 1 half.
right here.
Deleted 1 notes.
I'm gonna put a lane right here. Why does it? I don't know. It's gonna be
52 and a half. 53.
just one beat long.
Hold duration 1. 52.
If I hit tab,
Parameters.
and if I go to there's a parameter called track middle.
Parameter 6 track middle value 0.
This might be tricky to do.
51 and a half value 0. 52
So
value
0 is the middle. The thing is, you have to put you insert these anchor points. So
0.
if I hit D, it inserts a 0 at the start of the lane.
52 and a half value 0. 53 value 0.
And if I go to the end of the lane, I'll hit insert another
0.
0 by hitting D for default.
52 and a half value 0.
Now let's go to the middle of the lane, and I am gonna hold Control and press left to right,
Minus 2.666.
and that adjusts the value
Minus 5.332.
by a certain
Minus
amount.
5.332.
So what am I saying? Anyway, so the start of the lane is at
52 value 0 on node.
value 0.
52 and a half value 5.33 on
It
node.
goes to 5.33,
53 value 0 on node.
and then back to 0.
50 and a
So
half
if I
value
back
0.
up and play that,
Pause menu.
you can hear it going back and forth. So you can do it. It's just tricky, and then if you want to make the lane go further out than that, you have to make the track wider, which
Song editor.
involves
Parameter 5 left wall value minus 8.
editing the left wall and right wall.
Parameter 7 right wall value 8.
You could just make it wider in
0 value 8
general.
on node.
So if I go to
Parameter 5 left wall value
left
minus 8 on
wall,
node.
I hit Control left a few times.
Minus 10.666. Minus 13.332.
It makes it bigger.
Parameter 7 right wall value 8 on
And
node.
then go to right wall and do Control right a couple times.
10.666. 13.332.
So now the track is, instead of 8 units wide, it's now, or no, instead of 16, it's now, how, 8, 16, 13, 26.6. So it's much wider now. Did I say that right? I think so.
Save.
But it makes the whole track wider if you edit the value at the start. It's like a
Pumpkin pie ice cream.
timeline.
I have never messaged work parameters. Is there a learn key function mode? So I don't mess something up by accident.
I don't know. It might be tricky to do. I mean, as long as you... A learn key mode? No. Actually, okay, so there's a track parameters menu.
Track parameters menu. Vertical menu with 31 items. Selected insert / edit control point button. Return. Press enter to activate.
So
Delete parameters button. Delete. Press
everything that you can do with the parameters is in here.
Insert existing value button. E. Press enter to activate. Insert next existing value button. Shift E. Press
And
enter to
then,
activate.
as you...
Horizontal exited menu. Parameters extract middle value 0.
As you scroll up and down the track,
1/2 value 0.
it will tell you the value of the parameter.
1 value 0. 1.5 value 0.
So if you accidentally inserted an edit,
Minus 2.666.
1
1 value 1/2 0 value minus 2.67. 1/2 value minus 2.6. 1 value minus 2.6. 1.5 value minus 2.67 unknown.
as I scroll, it tells you the value of the parameter, you know.
2 value minus 2.64. 2 and 3 value minus 2.59.
And you see how the value as I scroll up,
3.5 value minus 2.56. 4 value minus 2.53. 4.5 value minus 2.51.
because
Pumpkin pie ice cream. Mess with asterisk.
yeah, it's interpolating between this one and the other edit I made up there.
1.5 value minus 2.67 unknown.
And you can use Alt up and down to go from each edit.
1.5 value minus 2.67 unknown.
So
2 value 0 unknown.
yeah, here's where the lane that I put in is, and it's 0 here.
1.5 value minus 2.67 unknown.
And then if I hit Alt down, it takes me down to this edit that I can just delete.
Deleted 1 nodes. 1 value 0.
And now the value is 0 again. So anyway, I don't know if that makes any sense at all.
Save. Notes.
So what I was doing... What am I doing? Probably... Well, I was just gonna work on stuff. So, one issue with this... I'm gonna go back to track editor
Track editor.
with F6.
0 unknown gradual left turn.
So it tells me like I'm on the edit for the gradual left turn.
1 gradual left turn.
And as I go
2
forward,
gradual left turn. 3 gradual left turn.
it says, you know, the beat I'm on, and then
4 gradual left turn.
it tells me I'm on...
5 gradual left turn.
I'm on the gradual left turn still.
6 gradual left turn. 7 gradual left. 8 gradual left turn. 9 gradual left. 10 gradual left turn. 11 gradual left turn.
But the issue with that is it doesn't ever stop.
12 gradual left turn.
Like, the turn is already done, but
11 gradual left turn. 13 gradual left turn. 14 gradual left turn.
I don't know. I don't think I want to mess with that right now. Eventually it should, like, stop saying left turn, because we're already through the turn, but it doesn't know.
15 gradual left turn.
And if I hit... Since I have inserted 3 things, I can use Alt up and down, just like the other editors.
0 unknown gradual left turn.
So I hit Alt down and it goes to 0, because that's where the first one is. If I hit Alt up,
16 unknown large vertical loop.
it takes me to the loop I inserted at 16. If I hit Alt up again,
48 unknown sharp left turn.
then there's the sharp left turn I inserted.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. I need to see someone using this in action to even begin to understand. There are all of these values that I don't know.
Yeah, well, there's no harm in just playing with it. I think that would help. Maybe, I don't know. But I can't delete, and so that's something I should do. Delete edits. And then also, since all the turns in the snippets menu,
Snippets menu. Vertical menu with 28 items. Selected official.
they're all
Sharp
left
turn button.
turns,
Press enter
but
to activate.
that's because you'll be able to flip them. So I need to make a flip, or mirror, actually, I should call it mirror. Horizontal mirror. Oh, why can't I talk today? Anyway, so I'm gonna try to get these few things done. So in track editor, where am I at? Let's see. Delete snippet. What is that? Oh, never mind. Delete selected control points. So if we're in advanced, not in advanced mode, I wanna delete the oh, I don't remember what I call any of this. I was only doing it just yesterday. Snippets, okay. So I'm gonna make a function called delete snippet. Oh, I already have one. No,
Michelle,
that's a
hi, I
different
hope
thing.
you are well.
Hello, Michelle. That's not what I'm doing. I already have a function called delete snippet. That's not what I want. Oh well. What does create oh, insert snippet. Oh, we just paste it. This is fine. I'll have two functions with the same name. I'm not afraid. Oh. It's always so... How do you make programming interesting? Well, I don't think you can. Let's see. Pasting... What does paste do to actually apply... Oh, apply changes. Hello, Pixel. Oh, I wonder if I go to the chatbot tab, will
Pumpkin
it...
pie ice cream. Chatbot is behind again. Pixel XQ electronic games and not much else. Hi.
There we go. Snippets. Is that it? I'm like kind of losing it. I'm like, oh, spline edits. It's not a snippet, it's a spline edit. Okay. Delete spline edit. That's what I want to call it. There we go. I'm happy now. So, so they're all stored in a thing. I call it a timeline. Get current. Get node at. Anyway, I promise this will be funner in a second. Cursor position. If there's a node and the node's position is... Oh, then we delete it. Oh, I need the index too. So, once I do this, we will be able to delete, and that will be really fun. Oh, also, I'm not saving or loading any of this stuff yet.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. Did you go to college for programming? We know like nothing about you outside of this game.
Yeah, I did. I only went to a 2-year college, and I didn't learn anything. I'm always talking bad about school, but I probably shouldn't. No, I just went to a... what am I doing? To remove, removing stuff from a vector is so weird in C++. You do dot erase, and then you have to pass in dot begin plus the index. I think that's what you do. I don't know. Oh, create spline from spline edits. Never mind, I gotta do something else. Okay, now we should be able to delete. Well, as soon as I build again. Now we should be able to actually delete these. I'm not doing this properly because I'm not doing this in a way that's undo and redoable, but that is going to be 5 times more boring. First of all, I'd have to remember how
Pumpkin pie
to
ice
do
cream.
it.
New vectors.
Vectors are fine. There's nothing wrong with vectors.
Loading. Welcome to arcade mode button.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Press left and right to select the race options. Press enter to
Okay,
loading track.
let's see if it works,
Song F0.
or does it just
World editor.
crash?
Track editor.
Hit F6, go to track editor. All my edits are gone because I'm not saving them yet, but the track is still in the right shape, and that's interesting.
Edit track menu. Vertical menu with 26 items. Manipulator menu. Snippets menu. Vertical menu with 28 items.
So-
Selected. Official. Select uphill button. Press enter to activate.
We're gonna insert
Official. Vertical loop
a
button.
vertical
Press enter to
loop
activate.
right at the start. Is that what I want? No. But anyway, I needed something to delete. Oh,
Save.
it doesn't narrate anything. Great. That's one other thing I have to fix.
Otherwise, I have
Otherwise,
to ask, SI is the only game you have ever worked on? I couldn't imagine this being your first project and it just worked out.
so I used to work for Disney. This was a while ago. Anyway, I think I worked for them for 8 years. When was that? I don't remember now. But anyway, we made games for Toy Story. Which one was it now? Toy Story 2. Wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And then we made all the Disney Infinity
Welcome to
games.
Arcade.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Press left and right to select the track. Race options. Press enter to start loading track.
So let's see if that works
Pause
at
menu.
all.
100% speed. Track editor. 0.
Go home. I'm gonna
4.
go somewhere. What is this
Well,
track doing? Oh, it's sideways. That's fascinating. The track is... No. What? Okay, I did some interesting
objects.
things are happening. Actually, I need to...
Pumpkin pie ice cream, working for Disney. No wonder why you are able to afford this as a main job, lol.
Okay. Oh, just go there. Okay, I'm back. Well, I don't know. It's been a long time since I worked there. First, oh, I'm in the wrong editor.
1. 0.
Okay,
4.
so I'm gonna insert something.
Menu. P. Official. Lone Tower Hammerhead turn button. Press enter to activate.
Nothing happened.
Official. Lone Tower Hammerhead turn
Okay.
button. Press enter to activate.
It doesn't quite generate the... It doesn't work. That doesn't matter. Okay, what am I doing? This is interesting. Things are kind of working.
Save.
Anyway, so I can...
We're on node Lone Tower Hammerhead turn. Delete it.
I can delete it.
But nothing under cursor. Nothing under cursor.
Okay. Great, so it narrates too. That's
0.
fun.
Save.
Now I need to work on making it so you can flip. Flip. F is flip normal, but we're just gonna use this. But anyway, yeah, that was a while ago that I worked there.
Evangelos Nagi, hey. I finally got here. I kinda have no idea what is going on.
Hello, Naj. Yeah, it's caught up. You don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. So, flip. I should call it mirror. But I call it flip because the F key is right under your hand and the M key is not. So it'll be flip. So I'll be able to turn a left turn into a right turn. Let's see. Value, horizontal mirror, flip it with the not equals, and then narrate that. Okay, now we'll be able to wait. Mirror spline edit.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. What part of the code is the biggest headache? I would imagine the graphics, but on the other hand, the blind accessibility also sounds painful.
I'm really bad at graphics. I've just have not been good at it. Narration isn't hard. You just call a function and pass it some text and it reads it. That's all I do. So yeah, I went to school only for a couple years and then I joined the army. I was in the army for 6 years. That was fun. Ooh, and then after that is when I worked at Disney.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Press race options. Press enter to start loading track.
I've only really had,
Pause menu. 100% speed.
well,
Song editor.
I've had other jobs, but I feel like I've only had one ever. The track comes in the shape of a plus, and that's not what a racetrack looks like. Anyway, so now I can insert
B. Official. Large vertical loop button. Press enter to activate.
a left turn.
Button. Press enter to activate.
Oh, it didn't insert it at the right place. Oh, when I scroll with the scroll wheel, it doesn't, well, obviously it doesn't narrate.
0 on node left turn. Delete it.
It doesn't... Yeah, really exciting things are happening to the track. But that's... What in the world? Is it really shaped like that? Oh my god. I love that. That's so weird. I need to do a
Edit track menu. Reset track button.
reset
Press enter to
track.
activate. Delete selected points. Reset track button. Press enter to
Why
activate.
is that not working?
Reset track button. Or exited menu.
That's weird.
0.
The track is gone crazy. You should still be able to reset the track. I have to build again. So for me, graphics are the biggest pain. Is narration behind again? Do I have to find another solution for reading the chat? Because this one stinks. There's got to be another thing that works for YouTube. I was thinking about maybe using Twitch, but not for this stuff. I want to keep all... If I do something that's not related to the game, I'll maybe do it on Twitch, because I don't want to fill people's
Downloading. Press enter. Welcome to sequence storm.
sub boxes with crud
Press left and right to select race options.
that they don't
Press
care
enter to loading
about.
track.
Let's do this.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. It isn't bad today.
0.
Okay, so let's try this again.
4.
I'm going to go somewhere. I'm going to insert a left turn.
Press enter to activate.
Evangelos Nagi, unfortunately, I don't know the solution for TDS.
0.
Yeah, that did not work.
5 peak, left turn. 4 on node peak, left turn. 3. 4 on node peak, left turn.
Pixel XQ electronic games and not much else. Making a custom track sounds fun but really confusing.
3. 4 on note B, left turn.
I'm pressing F and nothing is happening. This is illegal. If mirror spline edit. Computer program, come on. We're not even getting there.
Edit track menu. Vertical menu with 26 items. Selected track auto generation checkbox. Not checked. Press enter to toggle.
This is interesting.
Evangelos Nagi. This is illegal. LOL.
Flip normal button.
Oh, it's Control F. Oh, okay. I'm using the wrong, I'm doing everything wrong. So, okay. Just the F key, huh? I need a whole new menu command. Flip spline edit command is what I'm gonna call it. Where am I putting it? After mirror track. I'm gonna copy other code so we don't have to type a lot. Flip mirror spline edit horizontally. I don't quite know what I'm doing, how this is going to work in the end. So, when I get a few of these things in, I want to see if I can make it all work. Right now
Evangelos Nagi. So, what's the difference between flip and mirror? I don't understand.
There's no difference. So in this case, it's because all the turns that I have, so I have a bunch of snippets or clips or whatever, I don't know, just like I have a bunch of different like loops and turns, but all the turns are left turns. And if you want a right turn, you just select the turn and then flip it horizontally, and it turns it into a right turn. And then I guess you could also mirror vertically, and that would turn like a loop
Evangelos
into.
Nagi. Okay, makes sense now.
Yeah.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Press left and right to select it. Race options. Press enter to loading track.
Let's see what.
Pause menu 0.
The more I like
Track editor.
work on this track, the more weird it becomes. It's
Edit track.
becoming
Edit track.
quite
Edit track.
strange.
Vertical
I'm
menu.
gonna
Reset track button. Press enter to activate.
reset the track.
Save.
Okay, the track is reset.
0.
So I'm gonna try this again.
4.
I'm gonna page up to 4,
Manipulator menu. Vertical menu with 9 items.
and I'm gonna insert a left turn.
Official. Left turn button. Press enter to activate.
Okay, did that work? No, it's not inserting that where I want it to. It inserted it at 0.
4 on node left turn.
But can I flip it? Oh. And I'm not narrating anything.
Not mirrored horizontally.
Oh, I am actually. Oh my god. Nothing is working!
4 on node left turn. 4 on node left turn. 4 on node left turn. 3. 2. 2. 2.
And now
Track editor. 2. 2.
Alt up down is not working.
4 on node left turn. Not mirrored horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally.
What in the world?
Five left turn. Nothing under cursor. 4 on node left turn.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. Watch it say left turn when mirrored to a right turn.
Not mirrored
No.
horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally. Not mirrored horizontally.
Why is it saying not
Not
mirrored?
mirrored horizontally.
Why is it evil? I'm confused. Sure. It's false now. It's not mirrored.
Horizontally.
If I hit F again... Oh! Not equals. That's not... This is not valid programming. Oh, what am I doing? Did I forget how to do anything? I had put a not equals instead of a equals not. So that's cool. Actually, no, before I should do that. Before I do that,
Pumpkin pie ice cream. Illegal octane ion on object.
snippet name. If the object, if node value is mirrored horizontally, it should actually on node snippet name. Mirrored or flipped? I think mirrored sounds better. But you press F for flip. So this stuff's working fine. Is it actually editing the track properly? No. I don't know why it's not. But that's more than I want to try to figure out right now.
Loading. Welcome to sequence arcade.
Oh well.
Arcade.
At least you guys get an idea about how this works.
Augment 0.
So,
Track editor.
track editor. I'll insert.
Menu. Vertical menu with 28 items. Selected official. Back and forth wave button. Press enter to activate. Official. Sharp left turn button. Press enter to
Sharp
activate.
left turn. If I hit F.
Mirrored horizontal.
Yay, it worked. Okay. It turned. So,
One sharp left turn mirrored horizontally.
okay, now it actually says.
0 on node sharp left turn mirrored horizontally.
So it says sharp a left turn that's mirrored horizontally, so it's a right turn.
3 sharp left turn mirrored horizontally.
Let's insert other ones.
Official. Sharp left turn button. Press enter to activate. 5 sharp left. 8 sharp left turn.
Let's go up and insert. Let's just put lots of turns in.
Press enter to activate. 10 sharp left. 14 sharp left turn. Snippets menu.
Doing this through the menu is kind
Sharp left turn
of...
button. Press enter to activate. Mirrored horizontally. Save.
Now let's play that and see what happens.
This
It is a little bit askew, that's fine. Oh. That weird bug happened. So,
Pumpkin pie ice cream. That is confusing. I would rather it say right turn.
Pause menu. 118% speed.
yeah, so maybe I can get it to do that. Maybe have like, if I have add a mirrored name so that left turn can become right turn. Maybe, sure. Why is the camera zoomed out?
Song editor. 0. Parameters.
What have I done? So I broke the camera. The game, apparently. Yeah, I think I know what I did.
you got this.
Oh well. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Why is that bug? Well, it's happening because I haven't fixed it, that's why. Yeah, the game is totally broken. But that's fine. I'll have to fix it before I
Sound max.
check in, obviously.
Pause menu. Song editor. Track editor.
So that's how it's gonna work. I think that's fine. Isn't
Manipulator
it?
menu. Vertical menu with 9.
I don't know, what do you guys think?
Official. Select downhill button. Press enter to activate.
So there's a whole bunch of these ones that are called official.
Official. Gradual left turn button. Press enter to activate.
These ones are used in the auto generation. So when you have autogen on, it just randomly picks one of these.
Official. Hard case figure 8 button. Press enter to activate.
So if I insert that, it doesn't narrate anything when I insert. Is that... So
Pause menu.
let's
100
look
track
at.
editor.
They're just interesting pieces that are
Low power hammerhead turn button. Press enter to activate.
all basically easy to read.
Official. Vertical loop button. Press enter to act. Official. Straight track button. Press enter to activate.
Straight track, that's interesting. Let's insert some of that.
72 and 4396. 74 and 4396 straight track.
What happens if I
74 and 4396. 74 and 4396 straight track.
my alt up and down thing is not working.
Michelle Hurt, that's cool.
70 and 4396 unknown straight track mirrored horizontally.
Oh, so now the straight track is mirrored.
72 and 4396 straight track mirrored horizontally.
What does that mean?
Save.
Well, it doesn't mean anything.
82 and 4396
It's still
straight
just
track mirrored horizontally.
straight.
Official. Large vertical loop button. Official. Left turn button. Official. Lone power hammerhead turn button. Press enter to activate. Deep break. Official. Remember sailor twisted camelback button. Press enter to activate.
Except this one's a little hard to read, but that's fine.
Save. Editor exit.
Am I still in? Which mode am I in?
Race options.
Oh, I'm
Enter
still in
start course,
speed.
go back. Loading track.
So I don't know.
Pause menu. 100% speed.
Lanes? Oh
Lanes allows
yeah.
not- So, am I right in thinking that the lanes will depend on these snippets?
This is one way that you'll be able to edit lanes. There's two different ways, and I was talking about the other way before. But let's try that. I want to see
Track editor.
how that works.
0 on node chart left turn mirrored horizontally.
Can I delete?
3 on node chart left turn.
Okay, Alt up works.
8 on node chart left turn.
I'm gonna delete this one.
Delete it.
Okay. Well, let's go to this other.
14 on node chart left turn mirrored horizontally.
The sharp left turn mirrored horizontally. I'm gonna insert a lane right here.
Song editor.
So we'll go to the song editor,
Notes.
put a lane in.
14 and 15. 15 and a half. 16.
I'm gonna go 2 beats up and
Hold duration 2.
set the whole duration.
Save.
Now let's.
Editor exit.
So there's a lane on the turn.
Pause menu. 15 and 1 8. 15 and 5 8. 16 and 1 8. 1 half. Delete 1. 14 and 15.
I'll delete the other notes.
15 and a half. 12 and a half.
Evangelos Nagi, when there's no turn, does it default to straight?
Editor exit.
Yeah, it'll just be straight.
Pause menu.
See the. So that lane goes around the turn.
4 and 11 30 seconds. 8 and 11 30 seconds. Editor exit. Pause menu. 144% speed.
So yeah, that's one way to do lanes. If it has it, I can't talk today, to have an actual turn.
Save.
So here's one thing I was thinking of, like, how will you know what the track is doing? And so here's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it here. Track curvature. Where are we at? Cursor position. What happens if I narrate this curvature? I don't know what these numbers are gonna wind up being. Because I think it would be cool if you could know how far the track is, like what the track is doing. Oh. Oh, this position in the song. So let's see how that works. I don't know what these
Evangelos
numbers.
Nagi, nice.
I don't know what these numbers are like. Is the chat's not behind, is it? What am I doing? What am I doing? So I want to be able to just scroll along the track and know if it's turning left or right or going up or down or whatever.
Loading.
So I don't know what these numbers are gonna
Welcome to sequence.
be.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Maybe I should put that on the screen too.
Let's do this.
Pause menu. 100% speed. Track editor.
Evangelos Nagi, on the topic of lanes, I played walk up a notch in the aero lanes that stay in the center. By instinct I press both steering keys at the same time, which of course you can't do with an ASC.
0.
Yeah, I haven't put in any, like I put lanes notes in where I think I want to put some, like a turn or something. I just haven't actually put in the turn. Sip. Sorry, I'm drinking coffee.
Pumpkin pie ice cream. I think playing a sound a distance before a turn or loop, and then another sound when it happens, would be the best solution. Either that or a constant sound during the action.
Track editor.
Well,
1 curvature minus 0.01071884.
oh gosh, what is that number?
2 curvature minus 7.99497 times 10 to the power of negative 6.
That's not helpful.
4 curvature 0.01204.
Pumpkin pie ice cream, but there are many solutions.
Yeah.
5 curvature minus 6.52234 times 10 to the power of negative 5. 4 curvature 0.01204.
What is that? Say it again. What does F1 do?
Autoplay off.
Oh,
Autoplay on.
nothing.
Evangelos naughty, what does that mean?
It doesn't mean anything.
3 curvature 0.0011483. 4 curvature 0.01204.
0.01. Okay, so let's see. Can I make that make sense? Make it make sense.
Pumpkin pie ice cream, 10 to the power of negative 5.
Yeah. That just means 0, basically. I need to put this on the screen so I can actually... so I can see what the numbers are. Let's make it make sense. Like, I have to rebuild again. I can't... Actually, no, I had it in the output, didn't I? Well, never mind, I didn't have to rebuild. But I have a question. How... I don't know how to describe how the track is turning under the cursor. That's what I'm trying to do. Should it just be like...
Press any button. Welcome to sequence storm. Main menu. Vertical.
Arcade mode.
The way that you would normally describe a curve is in radius, but that doesn't make sense here because that number would get smaller the tighter the turn is, you know?
0. Track editor. 1 curvature minus 0.0107184. 2 curvature minus 3. 4 curvature 0.5 curvature minus 6.522. 4 curvature 0.01204. 6 curvature minus 7.80423 times 10. Snippets. Snippets menu.
Let me
Vertical menu.
insert...
Selected
Actually, no, let's
Pumpkin
do
pie ice
this.
cream, log base 2/3 of 12e6, 10032/67, asterisk 10.5.
Advanced editor checkbox. Not checked. Press enter to toggle.
Here's what I'll do.
Editor exit. With button. Arcade. Press left and right to
Where
select
is the...
Press up and down to change the difficult. Press
The
up, 1,
tightest turn in the whole game is in... What is the name of that track? Oh,
Press enter to cycle through.
Crazy About You.
Options. Press enter to
So
start
let's
loading
look
track.
at this turn.
Evangelos naughty, I'm sorry. My head just exploded.
32, 36, 44, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 96.
Where is it? Where's this turn?
140.
Did you know that this is the sharpest turn in the whole game?
Track editor.
Well, now you do.
161 curvature 0.0178954. 162 curvature 0.023598. 162 curvature 0.023598.
0.023...
Pumpkin pie ice cream, at least it was a pretty explosion.
154 curvature minus editor exit. Pause menu. 107% speed.
Every time, if you don't use hyper around this turn, you will hit the wall every time. And I don't know if you guys have noticed that.
152, 156 editor exit.
Oh, even with hyper, I hit the wall.
154 editor exit. Autoplay off. Autoplay on.
Whoops.
Song editor. 145 editor exit.
Oh, I can't hyper because I... Oh. I have to,
Pause menu. 6 and 89.
I have to start over.
154 editor exit.
If I hyper, Great. I don't hit the wall.
116% speed.
Anyway, so the value on that turn was 0.023. So what does that tell us? What about a
Song editor.
less sharp turn? Like,
106.
oh shoot.
206 and 15/16 curvature minus 0.0094542.
So 0.01 is actually kind of a sharp turn.
Evangelos Nagi was 0.0023, but didn't it say like -6 a while back?
I don't know, did it?
206 and 15/16 curvature 216 and 15/16 curvature 0.00685.
So let's use that. This new information. Did I save that? Why did I save that? No, I did not save it. Okie dokie, what am I doing? Now I don't know if this is left or right. Basically I think 0.02 greater than sharp left turn. Okay, I'm gonna do a lot of boring typing. So a straight track would be so I'm doing, if curvature is greater than 0.02, it'll say sharp left turn. If it's greater than 0.01, it'll say left turn. If it's greater than, I don't know if 0.0, I'm getting confused. Greater than, I always get confused on greater than, less than, add, subtract, positive, negative, multiply, divide. I can never know which one I need to use.
Evangelos Nagi, wait, so curve tour runs left instead of right? Heading into negatives is turning right?
I actually don't know. But usually I just try something, and if it...
Pumpkin pie ice cream, what about trying to do this in degrees?
Well, the thing about degrees, it doesn't quite make sense. Because it'd be... I mean, sure, there's a difference in degrees over a certain span of the track. In fact, this is what these numbers are, is the number of radians difference over a span of, I believe, 5 units of along the track. That's exactly what those numbers are that were coming out. But by itself, it doesn't really make a ton of sense. Oh geez, I was only gonna go until 2, so I'm gonna try, you know what? Let's see if I got this left versus right thing correct. So hopefully I can get this like cleaned up so that I can check it in, and then you guys can actually start to use it.
Pumpkin pie ice cream, 45 degree turn, 20 degree turn.
Yeah, maybe that's how I should.
Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main menu. Vertical menu of 6 items. Selected mission mode button. Press enter to activate. Press F1 for more information.
That would be a way to
Arcade mode button.
Arcade mode.
Arcade.
describe
Press
the
left and right to
different
select the track.
snippets.
Press
Yeah.
down to change the difficulty. Press F1 for more information. Walk it, planar surfaces. Race options. Press enter to loading track.
So that's probably something I should do.
Song 0.
What am I doing?
Track editor. Manipulate. Edit track menu. Advanced editor checkbox. Checked. Press enter to toggle. Not checked. Select all points button. Exited menu.
Whoa.
1.5 curvature. 1 curvature straight. 1.5 curvature straight. 2 curvature. 2 and 5 curvature. 5.5 curvature. 6 curvature. 7 curvature. 8.5 curvature. 9 curvature. 9.5 curvature.
This doesn't make any sense. Come on.
12.5 curvature. 13 curvature. 14 curvature. 15 curvature. 15.5 curvature. 16 curvature.
It's not,
17 curvature. 17 curvature. 22 curvature. 26 curvature. 26.5 curvature.
it's not saying anything.
27 curvature. 29 curvature. 31 curvature.
Okay.
32 curvature. 32.5 curvature. 34.5 curvature. 35 curvature. 36 curvature straight.
Oh, it thinks
36
this.
and a half
Okay, this is completely wrong. This, no. I need, like... No, this has been a fail. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of that for now. Because that's not making me very happy. Anyway, I want... As you go up and down the track, I just want you to be able to tell, like, what the track is doing, and I think the point is I don't know how to best do that. I mean, in the editor, as you scroll through, maybe I don't know.
Loading.
Evangelos Nagi, I think you were checking the wrong part of the track for the value.
Done loading. Press any button.
I don't know.
Welcome to Sequence Storm. Arcade mode button.
Arcade mode. Select
Arcade.
the track.
Press left and right to select the track. Here, walk it, orbit. Rated, extinction. Rated 27. 3 o'clock rated, planar surfaces. Rated 17.
So I have...
Medium difficult. What would you do? Rated 20.
Oh, except for what would you do?
Score. Planar surfaces.
I have a... Oh, an orbit. I don't have one.
3 o'clock rated 20. Extinction.
Other than
Rated
those,
27.
I have a beginner, easy, and medium
Planar surface. What would you walk it?
kind of started on all these tracks.
What would you? Planar surface. Extinction. Rated 27.
Ugh.
Orbit. Rated 30. Planar surfaces. Rated 17.
It's not really 17. I don't know why it's rated so
Rated
low.
8. What would you do? Rated 21.
Yeah, I wasn't only gonna do this for an hour today. Because my housemate wants to go hiking, so we're gonna go hiking. We're gonna go up Mount something. I don't know, it's not really a mountain, it's just a hill. We're too old to do real hiking. So, anyway, you guys will be able to play with this on maybe Monday, hopefully. It's not gonna be done, but I'm gonna like fix all the stuff I broke. At least, and get this possibly so where you can try to use it. So we'll see. Anyway, yeah, I wasn't gonna do much more than that, but at least you guys have an idea what I'm doing. So, anyway, whoever's here, Daniel and Naj, I'll do something.
Evangelos Nagi, I'll have a lot of fun with this when it actually comes out, I think. Thanks for showing us.
Yeah, I think you will. I'm interested to see what happens.
Pumpkin pie ice cream, at least you are trying. We appreciate that.
Yeah. Well, you're welcome. And I'm gonna... Oh, Portia too.
Portia Scott, awesome stream. Have a great hike.
Yeah, I will. Thanks for coming. Bye.